Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Toyota Prius C. First, make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth is enabled and set to discoverable. For safety, always ensure your vehicle is parked before starting this process. Next, turn on your car's audio system. Then, locate and press the Setup button on your car's multimedia display to begin. Once in the Setup menu, use the Tune scroll knob to highlight and select Bluetooth. From there, choose BT pairing or Add New Device to allow your car to search for your phone. On your mobile device, look for Car Multimedia or Toyota Prius in the Bluetooth device list and select it. A passkey or PIN will appear on both screens. Confirm they match, then accept the pairing. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free features. To make or receive a call, simply press the off hook button on your audio system or steering wheel. For streaming music or podcasts, press the media button until Bluetooth audio appears on the display. You can also adjust call and ringtone volumes by navigating to the HF sound setting within the phone menu. If you encounter connection issues, try these simple troubleshooting steps. First, turn both your phone and your car completely off, then restart them. If that doesn't work, delete the car from your phone's Bluetooth history and remove your phone from the car's paired devices list, then repair. Finally, consider checking with a dealership for any available software updates for your car's infotainment system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.